Okay, we have our body all back together. I have to keep my pieces numbered, or my heads numbered, because I work on more than one at a time, so, and I don't want to mix my parts or anything. But we got the eyes done, we've got the mouth all hooked back up, so now we're going to work on the wig. So I got this piece of felt here we're going to use for our wig, and I've measured it and cut it out. So what you do for this is, what you want to do is you want to measure around here to know how long you want to get it, and then from here down you want to measure that to see where you want to put that. And then you cut your piece out. Now I always cut it out a little bit bigger so I can trim it. If it comes out too small, then you got to do another piece. So I always do it a little bit bigger so I can trim it. So then we flip it over this way. And we're going to put the wig on this way. That way, when you fold it back, it's going to hide this seam here. And we're going to staple this here. And we use a staple, so if you ever have to get inside the head, you just pop these staples out, you unscrew these two screws, and then this back piece of this head will come out. Then you can get inside if you ever have to fix your string or your spring or anything else that you might have to do inside. So we do that. So then we're going to take this on the sides. Couple there, couple here. So now when we pull this wig over, we have a nice seam in here, and you don't see that line where you put it together. As you can see. So that's about what we want there. So what we're going to do is we got to trim this up a little bit here on the sides, and then we'll staple all this in together. And then we'll be ready to move on to the next part. So we're going to keep working on this. I might trim this off down here a little bit. So we're going to be working on this. We'll get the wigs situated and put on, and then we will move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.